morning students. Today we are going to start the chapters 12th, soil erosion and conservation. Okay, so before starting the chapter we are going to discuss what is soil. Have you ever seen the soil in your life? Yes, we are always we have seen the soil in our daily life. Okay, so let's start the topic. Soil is the most valuable resources on the earth. Valuable means important resource on the earth. Why? Because without soil we can't survive our life. Okay, soil not only contain metals and minerals in its layer, but it also supports on the earth. In soil metals contains minerals are there. It also supports on the earth. It grows plants, the food producers, supports animals and provides food. बच्चे soil erosion grow in soil, plants are growing, and when plants are grown they will give us food and medicines, wood. Okay, everything we are getting from the soil. Most of our basic needs of food, shelter, clothing are fulfilled from the land and or soil. Okay, so next, life cannot be imagined without soil. Yes, our life can't be imagined without soil, because we are getting most of the things from the soil. How? In soil we are growing up plants, and from plants we are getting like these types of basics needs. Clear? Now, but this precious resources is facing many problems. Factors responsible for damaging the soil are human activities. How? See the picture given, that a person is planting a tree. There are the too much trees are there and giving water to the plants. These cows are doing overgrazing. What is the meaning of overgrazing? They are eating the plants, grass. Okay, so these buildings are made up of wood. So it can be checked through conservation process like planting trees, changing pattern of farming, and building dams and embankments. Embankments are the buildings. Okay, so next is formation of soil. Soil is formed by the weathering and breaking of rocks. The wind, water and the living beings cause the rocks to break. But soil is formed. How soil is formed? We have seen the rocks. What we can say in rocks, when we break the rocks into small pieces, then it will form in the powder. Okay, so these powder formed rocks are formed as a soil. Clear? Due to cooling, heating and drying for the millions of the years, rocks, cracks break up into the fine pieces to form a soil. Clear this point? We will break that stones and rocks, then it will form into a powder form, that will be a soil. Clear? The process of soil formation is very slow process, long and continuous. See, when we are growing a plant, when we planting a tree, it will take a time to grow. It is very slow process, and we need, when they will give us food, when the plants will give us food, how they will take a time to grow, and they will give us food. Clear? So next is uses of soil. First, there are the various uses of soil. All living beings depend on soil because their basic needs are fulfilled through soil. How? We get food, clothes, shelter, medicine, water, etc. from the plants. First, forests which grow on soil bring rain and support various plants and animals activities. Second point, large deposit of metals and minerals are present in the soil. Most of the percentage of metals and minerals are present in the soil. Microorganisms present in soil make it fertile. The microorganisms which are present in the soil, that make the soil fertile. Fertile means which will help fulfill for the to grow a good plant and give us good food. Clear? Next, soil is also used for making bricks, pots and clay. But the soil also store water under the ground, so that water is used for drinking and other purposes. Next topic is soil erosion. The process of carrying away from the topsoil, top fertile layer of soil from one place to, to another for water, wind, human activities are called soil erosion. What is soil erosion, बच्चे? The first layer of the soil, when we are removing it, which is top fertile layer of the soil from one place to another. Okay, so next is agents of soil. What are the agents of soil? There are natural agents. First is water, second is wind. First is water. River rainwater causes soil erosion. Okay, see, rivers are rain. When it rains, the topsoil from the hills washes down to the rivers and plains. How? River and rainwater causes. How? Whenever in river water is coming, it will remove the topsoil. When rain will come, it will remove the topsoil. Okay, the running water deposit the minerals rich soil in the river bed. During floods, the river get flooded and deposit the soil on the another. Is clear? Next is बच्चे wind. In nature, strong winds blow from topsoil from one place to another, thus causing soil erosion. बच्चे strong winds, when they came na, topsoil will remove and they will go from one place to another. This happens more even when land is not covering with grass or plains. Erosion by wind is a common phenomenon in dry regions such as desert. See in the picture given, बच्चे.